In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood for long-term investing in a simple way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the search bar, then start by looking for ETFs or strong companies you believe in for the long run. Tap on an ETF or stock, review the basic chart and details, then tap Buy, enter your amount, and confirm your purchase. For long-term investing, focus on holding rather than trading frequently. Next, build a balanced portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock. Instead, invest in a mix of ETFs and a few solid companies to spread your risk. Now, go to your profile icon, open Investing Settings, and set up recurring investments. This allows you to invest automatically on a weekly or monthly basis, helping you stay consistent over time. Also, turn on dividend reinvestment so any dividends you earn are automatically used to buy more shares, increasing your growth. Avoid checking your portfolio too often or reacting to short-term market changes. Long-term investing works best when you stay patient and consistent. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.